Millions of people worldwide lost their jobs because they were told AI is cheaper. Now that AI is costing them more than the people they fired. When ChatGPT launched in 2022, the math was simple for companies. AI is cheap, people are expensive. So mass layoffs began, and companies switched to AI. But something nobody could have predicted happened. The cost of asking an AI a single question has decreased by 98% in the last few years. Normally, companies' total AI bill should have decreased by that much as well. The opposite happened. Corporate AI spending increased by approximately 320% during the same period. The reason is an economic rule dating back to 1865. British economist William Stanley Jevons noticed that when steam engines began burning coal more efficiently, coal consumption exploded instead of decreasing. The logic is simple. When something becomes cheaper, people use it so much that the total bill still rises. The same thing happened with AI. Furthermore, new AI systems began using far more processing steps to complete a single task than before, meaning each question required more computation in the background. Companies also encourage their employees to use AI as much as possible, as if the amount used was proof of success. The result was devastating. Uber's chief operating officer admitted the company used up its entire annual AI budget in the first 4 months of the year. Now they have set a limit of $1,500 per employee per month. Microsoft experienced the same problem. There are also hidden costs. While the visible cost of a single AI conversation might seem like 4 cents, when you add the background monitoring and human oversight processes, that figure rises to $1.20, more than 30 times. That's why 55% of companies that laid off for AI are now regretting it. Gartner predicts that half of the companies that outsourced customer service to AI will refill those positions in the next year. One study shows that AI automation is only truly economically viable in 23% of jobs. Despite this, major tech companies are investing $740 billion in AI infrastructure this year, a 69% increase. During the same period, more than 115,000 tech workers lost their jobs. So what happens now? Companies are now setting limits on spending, measuring real added value instead of free use. So the trend isn't abandoning AI. It's a forced shift from a the more we use it, the better mentality to one that focuses on which uses actually generate revenue.